we killing it. Yeah, we feeling it. All these bitches over here, yeah, we killing it. Kill that pussy, send that pussy up in that hearse. Fuck that pussy till it's dry like dirt, till it squirt. Yeah, I'm in this bitch till it fucking hurts. Yeah, I'm in the bitch, yeah, I'm in this bitch. Got them bottles popping, got that Chris sipping. You know how I am, I'm always be tripping. I'm always leaning, always dreaming with the wrist gleaming. Got them diamonds on my chest, no, I'm just kidding. I got the rocks on my belt, yeah, I got that. You know I'm moving that work, yeah, I got that. The trap G, the trap L, the trap Lord. Fuck with me, you know that ain't good, Lord. You know how I do, you think the devil's scary? Fuck that, they never met me, I'm scarier than Freddy. I'll pop up in your dreams, the 40 Glock with that extra beam. Leave you dead on the street, that's no crime scene, that's just a homicide. So fuck this, all my squad, yeah, we down to ride. Over here, on the south side, you know how we keep it pretty simple. We'll pop you like a pimple, you get that shit moving. You fucking up our work, we get the guns grooving, we get it moving. You know how we do, we keep it shooting. We keep a couple dice, we keep a couple killers, we keep a couple hitters, we keep a couple drillers. You know how we make it, construction site, we build shit, we make money, we make the hits. We got them guns on